Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will discuss surface area and volume. This chapter for ninth class and 10th also. This is most important chapter in competitive exams. Okay, beta. So first of all, you must know what is volume and what is area. What is the difference between the volume and areas? Okay. Volume having three dimensions: length, breadth, and heights. Okay, and area having two dimensions. Anything plain board like this, length and breadth. So this is the difference between the area and the volume. Volume always three units with length, breadth, and height. Centimeter or simple general meter, no need to cramming it. Okay, suppose centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So it come centimeter cube. So it is volume. Area centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter square. First you must know the difference between the volume and area. Okay, and perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. Any figure, 2D figure are these. This is square, this is circle, this is rhombus. Okay, how to find their perimeter? So perimeter means sum of all sides, boundary length. That is known as the perimeter. So first put in your mind the difference between the area, volume, and perimeter. Perimeter always on same unit, meter, then it is meter. Area to units multiply length into breadth. Okay. So now come to 3D figure. What is the difference between the 2D figure and 3D figure? 3D figure having length, breadth, height. 2D figure having two dimensions. Okay. So come to the points one by one. Today we are discussing 3D figure. This is cube. Okay. In the cube, these are known as the faces. How many faces? There are 6 faces. How many vertices? These are the vertex. 8 vertices. Faces 6. Vertices 8. What is edges? Edges means this. Vertex to this line segment, this vertex to this vertex to this. So base 4, top 4, and 4 height. Total 10. In your 8th standard, you know the Euler formula. Faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. Then known as the Euler formula. Okay, now in this class 9th, we will discuss how to find volume and surface area of the cube. So first, my dear, volume of cube, you can write side cube. Suppose its side is A. So cube is the closed figure having all dimensions are equal. Length, breadth and height, everything same unit, that is known as the cube. So how to find volume? Volume means what is the space inside of cube. How much air, how much space is there. Okay, so we can find side cube, A cube units. Now, lateral surface area. What is the meaning of lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means area of 4 wall, area of 4 faces. One face area, side into side square, then A into A square. So, area of 4 side, 4 A square. Then, total surface area. Total surface area means area of all 6 faces. One face area is 6, A square into 6. So 6 A square. What is the diagonal? Diagonal of base equivalent. What is the diagonal of base in a cube? Mean base of the square. This one. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. It is right angle. A square. So we can say root 2 into sides. Root 2a. What is the diagonal of cube? Longest length in cube. That is known as the diagonal of cube. So how to find here? Base square. It is root 2a and it is a. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is the derivation. Okay, no need to cramming. Base root 2a into a. So apply the diagonal of cube. So dear student, it comes root 3 into sides. Okay, these four formulae depend how to find volume, how to find lateral surface area, how to find total surface area, how to find volume. So now see if side is question. Let's application of these formulae, how to apply them. Okay, side of cube is given. Side of cube is equal to 5 centimeter. Now find number 1. Volume. Side cube. So we can write 5 into 5 into 5. 125 centimeters cube. So you know very well volume is always in the cube unit. Second point, lateral surface area 4 into side square. 4 into 5 into 5. It comes 5 25 for the 100 centimeters square. Now third point, total surface area of cube. Formula 6 into side square. Now 6 into 5 into 5. 150 centimeters square. I think clear everyone? Yes or no? 5 6 150 centimeters square. Now fourth point. What is the diagonal? Diagonal of cube. You can write root 3 into side. So I hope clear everyone how to become root 3 into side. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. Root 2a square plus a square. Then it comes 2a square plus a square and 3a square. So it comes root 3 into a. So it comes root 3 into side. And put here side 5 root 3 centimeter is your answer. So this is the application of how to find volume of cube, lateral surface area of cube, total surface area of cube, diagonal of cube. Okay, beta? So I think you have to clear. But sometimes some typical question also asked in the exam. If it is given any closed cube, whose sides are given. Okay. Thickness of metal is also given. Suppose 2 centimeter thickness is there. For example. Okay. So now you will see what is the height. Inner height or outer height, what is the difference? Difference of the thickness. If 2 centimeter is thickness, so 2 plus 2, 4. Height में से आपने बेटा outer height. Outer जो साइड गिवन है उसमें से आपने मेटल का ट्वाइस आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. That come inner side. You got inner dimension. So cube having all dimensions are equal. If anyone asks what is the volume of metal, use closed cube. So very simple. You having inner side and outer side. You can find volume of internal or external, and you can subtract. So we got the volume of of the metal used in the cube. I hope clear everyone. If it is open, one face is open. Okay, then how much is the height? In that condition, thickness only base having, but upper face is open. So you will subtract inner one side, not twice, only single side you will subtract. Okay, beta? Clear everyone? Now let's see next figure, cuboid. What do you know about the cuboid? Cuboid is a 3D figure in which at least one side will be difference in length, breadth or height. At least one dimension will be difference. Not all are same. So see that by using the figure, this is a cuboid. Okay, length, breadth, and this is height. So now it is a cuboid. So volume of cuboid क्या होता है बच्चे? Length, breadth, and height. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Perimeter into height you can say, or you can say 2 into length plus breadth into height. Total surface area 2 into LB, BH and H. Is it clear? Now diagonal. Diagonal of base. First diagonal of base C here. This is the diagonal of base of the cuboid. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. No need to calculate length. This is breadth. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. L square plus B square under the root. If anyone asks you what is the diagonal longest length in a cuboid, that is diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid. That formula is L square B square H square. How can you say? Because base is this, base square plus H square under the root. And square root cancel. We got L square plus B square plus H square. I hope understood this. Now come to the questions on the cuboids. So now, dear students, see, if in a cuboid length is given 5 centimeter, breadth is given 2 centimeter, height is given 1 centimeter. You must know all dimensions are same. If meter, centimeter, okay, these are the different things given. Unit are different, meter, centimeter, decimeter. So first of all, you will change all the dimensions in the same unit. I tell you one trick here. कल हम दोनों मिलेंगे दिल्ली कॉलेज में. यकीन है डिडाइड मदर डिडेंट क्राई मच. ये सिंबल है बेटा, you can learn because M for millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. These are the measurement length. Okay. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter, 10 meter equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer, 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. So, if you have to given 5 mm, 5 millimeter, change into the meter. अब यहाँ से आपने यहाँ पे पहुँचना बेटा. Convert to this. How many steps? So see here, mm, you are standing here. Centimeter 1 step, 2 step, 3, or 10 10 3 times mean 1000. You will divide millimeter by 10,000. Then we got 0.005 मीटर. 3 डिजिट्स के बाद आपने डेसिमल यूज करना है 1520. Is it clear? If millimeter, how to change into the centimeter, divide by 10. If 5 decimeter is given, how to convert millimeter upward to downward means multiply. 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. So 500 millimeter is equal to 5 decameter. I think clear everyone. Now let's see the question. Length, breadth and height are given, my dear. How to find volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is L, B and H. So you can write 5 into 2 into 1. So it comes 10 centimeter square. What is lateral surface area? 2 into length plus breadth into height. You can write 2, putting the value. L is 5, breadth is 2, into height is 1. Now calculate 5 plus 2, 7, 14 centimeter square. Is it clear? Now total surface area 2 into LB, BH plus HL. Now putting the value L into B. What is the length? 5 to the 10. B into H. 2 1 ja 2. H into L. 5 1 ja 5. Now plus them. 10 plus 5 15. 17 to the 34 centimeter square. Next diagonal. Diagonal is equal to L square B square H square. Now putting the value here. 5 square 25, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. So root 30 centimeter is the diagonal. Okay students, now I hope you understood how to find total surface area, volume, lateral surface area, diagonal of cuboid and cube. So thank you and have a nice day. Next meeting we will discuss next 3D figures.